Hi everyone. Today I'm making some homemade ice cream and I thought this would be a good opportunity to review some customary and metric measurements. So I have a gallon here and it's about a half a gallon left. And within a gallon we have 4 quarts. So 4 of these quarts would make a gallon. And then in the quart, 2 pints would make up a quart. So I have these 2 pints here. And then remember, in each pint we have 2 cups. And I didn't have a cup measurement, but I do have these here that are actually half cups. So remember, a cup has 8 fluid ounces, and these half cups here have 4 fluid ounces. So if I put these together, then I would have 1 cup, and we know that pints have 2 cups. So it would take 4 of these to make up a pint. So cups have 8 fluid ounces, these have 4, so these are half cups. And then one other thing, this one I noticed it was measured in liters. So this was actually 3 liters, and that's our metric system for measuring liquid. So we know that there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So since this has 3 liters, then we could just multiply 3 times 1,000 to get 3,000 milliliters. So that's how much would be in this water jug. And so I think that was pretty much all the liquid measurements I wanted to remind you of. But then also, this ice cream recipe has sugar in it. And if this were full, it would be 4 pounds of sugar. So remember, there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So since I have 4 pounds, this is going to be a question that I want you to answer on the form. How many ounces of sugar would 4 pounds be? So that's one thing that I want you to answer. How many ounces would 4 pounds be? And then I'm going to go ahead and tell you our mystery word for today is actually going to be whipping cream. So whipping cream is our mystery word. And then I came up with just a little problem that we're going to go over that kind of involves the recipe for this ice cream. So if I had a half a gallon of milk, and then I need 4 cups for the ice cream. So I have a half a gallon and I need 4 cups for the ice cream. How many quarts do I have left? So I want you to think about this. If I have 1/2 gallon of milk and then I have 4 cups for the ice cream, how many quarts do I have left? So I've used gallons here, cups, and quarts. So I want my answer to be in quarts, but I need to think about how I can get my answer into quarts whenever I'm starting out with gallons and then I'm using cups. So if you think you can solve this on your own, go ahead and do that. You can pause the video, and with your composition notebook, you can work out this problem, and then unpause the video and check your answer. So I'm going to start out, I'm thinking about how many cups are in a gallon. So if you'll remember when we drew the big G and then we had our 4 Q's to represent our quarts, and then I had my 2 pints within that, and then within each pint I had 2 cups. So I can think about, without actually writing it down, there was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 16 cups in 1 gallon. But I have a half a gallon, so I need to half this. So that means I have 8 cups. So I'm starting it out with 8 cups. But then I'm going to use 4 cups for the ice cream. So if I do 8 cups minus the 4 cups, that means that I have 4 cups left over. But the question asks, how many quarts do I have? So I can think back to this drawing. And if I had my quart, I have 2 pints in the quart, and then in each pint I have the 2 cups. So that can help me to see that I'm going to have 4 cups in 1 quart. So 4 divided by 4 gives me 1 quart. Or, just by looking at the diagram, I can see that 4 cups is equal to 1 quart. So the answer to my question, how many quarts do I have left? I would have 1 quart of milk left. All right, so you have a few more questions like this on the form. Be sure to take your time and show your work in your composition notebook.